Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is September 9th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how to use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions, but I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Tesla is doing very nicely again today. So we are up $10.42, 3.6%, closed at $299.68, just shy of 300 bucks. Post market we are down by 56 cents. Let's look at what this looks like on the chart. So we have a break of our downward channel. So we are officially outside of this channel. And we are basically back into this big upward channel right here. We had a little bit of a downward trend right here, but now this trend has been broken. And let's see what Tesla is going to do next. The next resistance that we have to fight is this 314.18 right here. Because we touched there twice. We touched it August 4th and we touched it also 16. So that's the next resistance that we have to fight on our way to the channel resistance right here, which might be anywhere from 335 to 350, depending on when we are going to reach that. Let's go see the 1 hour chart, and let me clean this a little bit. So on the 1 hour chart, so we opened with a gap up, so this is showing us that the stock is really has some strength to it, has some strength to it because the price went up from 289.50 right there to 291.25. So this is a gap, and look at the volume that we had. Is that right here? Sorry. 221 and 600. So this is, so look at the volume right here, 600,000 shares during 1 hour. We have some people that are accumulating Tesla, and we could see also that these nice green candle on the first hour of the day with a great volume was demonstrating that people were buying this stock the first thing in the morning. All of the indicators on the 1 hour chart are super great. We have RSI that is overbought right here. It is overbought. It does not mean that we need to sell. It could remain overbought for some time, but it's showing that the stock has been extending itself a little bit. So maybe we can have a little bit of a pause. So it would make sense for Tesla to pause a little bit and come back to the big area of support. We have support here a whole lot right here, so it would be possible that we come back a little bit and make a little bit of a pause because we had this big move up basically since 265 to 299. So maybe the stock is ready for a pause, but that would not be very dramatic. Let's look at the indicators, how our indicators fared. So we got back over 60, so that's very nice to have because any significant stock move always requires a stick over 60 to happen. And we are quite close in getting the green line of MACD crossing over the red line of MACD, which would indicate from a MACD perspective that the stock is in a bullish mode, but all of the other indicators are already telling us that the move is bullish anyway. So let's just enjoy this nice move from Tesla. This is great to see. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great weekend. We are going to talk on Monday, unless you are a member with a specific tier. In this case, we are going to also talk on Sunday. So have a great weekend, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.